Today we're here at Big Bend National Park, and we're going to climb 3,500 feet up into the basin, and then I owe you guys a bike check, so we'll look at that and see how much I've dove into the whole of bike parts. Now my bike started out as a budget build. It's far from that now, so when we get to the top we'll find a good spot and we'll look at it. And also we have this, the passport. If you're not familiar with these, you can take them. They have all the national parks, and you can take them and get them stamped. So I'm hoping someone's up there. Now this is during the pandemic, so I don't know if they're going to be there or not, but we're going to get our stamp. Steed is ready. I got to get ready, and then we're going to go up. It's about 24 miles up, and then I'm going to come 24 miles down and then go steal a KOM down here in town. So let's do this. I just had my first taste of a climb. It was rough. I don't know if I was just waking up my legs or if that's what I can expect, but we're at mile 8. We've got about 7 more miles before we start the actual climbing. So it's all been about 1 to 2%. Minus that one, but we're going to be climbing up this, up to the window, to the basin, and then we'll do a bike check. It's been about 20 miles of 1 to 2% grade. Now we're pretty much at the bottom. We're gonna start climbing. I think we got about 1,400 feet to the top in about 3.5 miles. And we're in bear and mountain lion country. So I'm kinda feeling it. I'm in gear, I'm in my lowest gear, which is 40, and I think this is a 46 front. Yeah, 46, so I'm at my best, so it's gonna be brutal, but I think we can do it. Let's rock and roll. So they wouldn't let us take the bike down to the window. There it is. You can see a little bit of it. Look at this bad boy right here. The climb was brutal, and now we're gonna look at the bike. I was running that 46. .46 1140 in the rear. It was absolutely brutal up the hill. This is the light carbon LCG with the ASC asymmetric disc wheels, 38 in the front, 44 I believe in the rear. Starting off at the cockpit, we went to Ultegra Mechanical. I made a huge mistake with these bars. They've got like 104 mil reach, which is ridiculous. It stretched me out quite a ways, and I made a big mistake. I've got another set of Aeronova bars on the way, which are a lot shorter but are still flat. I love this flat top. I got a little eBay computer mount. Right now I got the GoPro attached because we're about to do the descent. Got the eBay computer mount.
Got the GoPro mounted on top, and I've got my Garmin attached to the bottom, which I can't see, but it works. OG Evkin 90 mil stem, eBay $30. Cane Creek headset. The fork came with the frame, so that's light carbon. I picked up these XXX water bottles. These are Braun Traeger knockoffs from AliExpress, China. 2 of them for about $20. They're 16 grams each, so they're hell of a deal. I've got the Ultegra dual-sided power meter from Stages. It's the R8000. My old XTR pedals, which I plan to upgrade soon. The 46 tooth Wolf's Creek, or I'm sorry, 46 tooth Wolf's Tooth chain ring. Seat post came with the frame, Specialized Ramen Evo gel, and on the rear, I made a huge mistake thinking I could put an XTR on here with road shifters, and wasted a bunch of money, and so now I got GRX on the rear, and I'll save the XTR for my cross-country build. Again, Shimano cassette's the same, hasn't changed. I did get the TRP dual-sided dual piston brake actuated calipers in the rear, all laced up with some Panaracer Gravel King SK Plus 35C, and that's the bike. This thing, profile designs for my set in my little bag. Disc brakes, DT Swiss 350 hubs, and that's it. So this bike started out as a budget build, and just progressed as I needed things, and now it's probably about $3,500 invested into this thing. And when we get back, we're gonna chop that up. But let's go get some downhill descents. And we're gonna do this on the Garmin. All right. That's it. About 50 miles from here up to the window, which is the basin. I kept saying the top. I didn't quite go to the top of the mountain, but I went up to the basin. 3,500 feet from here to there. Whew, round trip 50 miles. I am beat. Got some pretty good GoPro footage. You'll probably see that coming down. Not so much going up. It was real slow and boring. Hindsight, I don't think I was properly geared. 4640 my max. On the way up, I was in my lowest gear like the entire way. Other than that, let's go and wrap it up for this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks. We'll see you next time.